Check out this 2012 Ram 2500. Carfax has certified this 2500 as having one owner. This 2500 has just under 18,000 miles. For your protection, a service contract is available. This 2500 boasts a 6.7-liter inline-six engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the 2FH Laramie Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, monotone paint, bright white and the light pebble beige bark brown interior, leather 40/20/40 bench seat. Call 877-705-3247 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.